Welcome to this video. Today I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to creating your YouTube channel logo using Canva. Canva is a powerful beginner-friendly design tool with tons of templates, a drag-and-drop editor, and a huge library of icons and photos. Okay, now let's dive in and start designing. Go to canva.com and click the search icon. If you're new to Canva, create a free account to get started. Explore Canva's wide range of customizable logo templates to find inspiration. Click Create a Design, select Logo, and you will be taken to the editor with a variety of templates to choose from. Choose a template you like and it will open in the editor. Hover over the template to highlight the element. Click on an element to select it, then double-click to place your cursor for editing. Personalize your logo with your brand name, adjust the text color, font size, background, and effects to match your brand style. To undo any changes, use Command Z on Mac or Ctrl Z on Windows. Once your logo is complete, give it a name. Click Share. Then select Download to save it. As you download your new logo, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on design, coding, and productivity tools. Go to your YouTube channel and click Customize Channel. Choose the option to change or remove your current logo. Upload the logo you downloaded. Adjust the logo to your liking, then click Done to save.